presenting a pre-owned 2018 Maserati. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Maserati is a great value with less than 24,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.